In this video, we'll learn how to make an image black and white in Krita. Start by opening the image that you want to make grayscale in Krita. In the Layers docker, add a new filter layer to the layer stack. The filter that we want is called desaturate. The desaturate filter sounds simple at first glance, but it actually has several options. Each option is a different method to calculate a single brightness value from the colors of the pixels. For photography, the recommended methods are based on luminosity, as the BT709 and BT601. After adding the filter layer, the image will be turned grayscale and you can save it. However, there is an additional technique that we can use to make our black and white photo look better. Add a second filter layer on top of the first one. The filter we want this time is the levels filter. In Krita, there is a bug currently that the levels filter doesn't display the histogram the first time you add it. So we'll add it just to edit it right after. If you find yourself editing filter layers a lot, keep in mind that you can use the keyboard shortcut F3 to quickly open the filter properties. We can see in the histogram what is the darkest color of the image and what is the lightest color. Because they are in the middle, the image looks a bit too gray. We can increase the contrast by moving the input levels controls so that the levels filter will make the darkest color become black and the lightest color become white, stretching the colors in the middle to fit the new extremes. If you don't want pure black or pure white, you can also change the output levels to control what the darkest and lightest color outputted will be. This is how you make an image black and white in Krita. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Krita tutorials.